Hello, everyone. Michael Toll here, going over everything Forex with you. I just wanted to show you a quick trade from last night. I know this is a new channel, so just getting it started, but wanted to start off with a successful trade from last night. A lot of this terminology I'm going to be using might not make sense, and you've probably never heard it before, but as you stick with this channel and I release lessons, it will all make sense. This is one of the most powerful trading systems you can learn. It's incredibly simple. You don't need any indicators. You don't need a bunch of crazy news and all this and that. It's all pure price action is what this trading style is based upon. There's a variety of ways to get in and out of trades, a set of rules to follow for each and every one of those. And I will be breaking all that down as this channel grows and moves forward. But again, just wanted to go over real quick a trade from last night here on the Euro New Zealand. Pull up the 60-minute chart here. What we had here, this was my entry over here, right here at 1037. What we had is what we call downtrend with the setup. That will make sense in the lessons. We had downtrend with the setup on the 30-minute. We have this wall over here or a racetrack, this big green candle. We love those. That's pretty much every trade I get into. I look for a racetrack or a wall. I already had anchors closing. This anchor closed and broke these anchors over here. So that was already, you could have just done a market order here. But since I already saw this happening and then I had downtrend with the setup, that's the first step to all of this is learning those rules. Breakout comes after that, but that's more advanced and we'll get into that. But here was downtrend with the setup. See, price just touched into here on this wick on wick overlap. That was part of my zone. So I got into the trade at that point. As you can see, it worked its way down, came back into the zone. I almost, if it wouldn't have been so clear at the time, I would have set up a limit order and made my risk a little bit less, and I would have still gotten my entry and hit my target. But I saw it happening in real time, so I just took a market order, set my profit target right here at the bottom of the wall. You can see it a little more clearly on the 60-minute, right there at the bottom of the wall, right above it, because you got to take into account the bid and the ask, so it's just easier to go a little bit above that area. But again, down with the setup, touched into here, worked its way down, got out of the trade for 51 pips at 7:25 a.m. right here at this 1.68200 zone. Some of y'all like confirmation, and there's nothing wrong with that. So even here on the 5-minute, that was the entry candle right there. But for your confirmation, you have this red close below this green anchor. Anchors, action candles, colors of candles are all very important when it comes to this trading style. But again, I just want to make a quick video. So here we had the rally base drop with a close below the previous anchor, showing that we had a trend reversal because we were uptrend and then sideways biased up and then down with the setup as it worked its way down. So again, just wanted to show a quick trade from last night. This one was good for 51 pips, worked flawlessly, woke up in the morning with your target has been, take profit. I had a notification on my phone. I've got screenshots for all this. Again, if people can't show you their live trades or show you proof of their trades, just be leery. We'll be doing live trading though as this channel moves forward, and I'll be releasing I used to teach some lessons for some large groups at times. I'll probably start off with some of those, but we'll be building content as I build this new channel out. But just wanted to start off with a good trade from last night. Again, down with the setup. I'm showing on the 60 down with the setup. Nice wall over here. We'd already chewed through all this stuff and gotten the closes below. Worked its way down. On the daily, we had about 150 pips to work with. We grabbed a little 51 pips of that, but there's rules for using all this, for taking it up, taking it down, and everything in between. So hope this gets you guys excited. I promise all these words and terms will make sense, and I can teach you how to do this quite easily. So please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content and lessons to come. See you guys here in the near future. Till then, safe trading. Always have a stop. Look for good risk to reward ratio. This one was like a 2-to-1. I usually look for like a 4-to-1 or higher. I love 8 and 10-to-1s, but it was a trade that I just felt that there's a lot of things working together that we'll get into in the future that just had me feeling good about it. So I took it and it worked out for success. So until next time, this is Michael Toll, and I will talk to y'all soon.